Namaskaram to all of you. I am Tanvi Gupta Bajoria. I'm an Isha Yoga practitioner and I'm YouTuber. So today I'm making the video on is what is inner engineering online. So there are a lot of people who have asking me this question about the inner engineering online, what exactly it is and what exactly they teach in this online sessions. So first of all, I wanted to tell you that Inner Engineering Online is a program which is designed by Sadhguru, and Inner Engineering Online has specific 7 sessions which you have to go one by one every single day. So these sessions are very powerful sessions. There are at times we are doing a lot of fundamental errors in our life. So if we can just correct them, those fundamental mistakes which we are doing and the fundamental ways of our thinking, our life would be much better, at least 60% better from what we are right now. So Inner Engineering Online has all those 7 sessions by Sadhguru which are very powerful, which are amazing in every way, and I have done those sessions 3 times myself, and every time I learn is something new out of it. Whenever you do inner engineering online, you must go with an open mind. There should not be any pre-notions, this is right, this is wrong. No, nothing like that. Just go with an open mind. Just listen to what Sadhguru has to tell you and just see how much you can perceive it, and that's it. Just go through those 7 sessions once and just see whatever you can grasp and whatever you can perceive from what he wants to tell you. And I am sure it is a doorway to your happiness, to your well-being, to everything that you want in life. You must do that program once into your life. Inner Engineering Online has just 7 sessions. Now the second question which I've always been asked is, do they teach Shambhavi Mahamudra and Inner Engineering Online? The answer is no. Till now they have not been teaching any Shambhavi Mahamudra in the online sessions, because Shambhavi Mahamudra is a very powerful practice. They will only teach you that practice in person. So once the lockdown is open, whatever nearby centers you have, so they will call you there. So there are trained teachers, Ishangas, which are from the Isha Yoga Center. They will come and teach you Shambhavi Mahamudra, and it's almost a 1.5 day session. You have to go there and you have to experience it by yourself, because it's a very powerful practice. Till now, Sadhguru has decided not to teach that practice online. And it's been 3 years, more than 3 years now, that I have been doing Shambhavi Mahamudra regularly every single day, and it's just an out of the way experience of my life. And even I have made a video on this, that my inner engineering experience, how it helped me, how it was for me. So definitely I wanted to tell you that you will learn Shambhavi Mahamudra in person itself from the Ishanga teachers. Till now they are not teaching this practice online. And I also wanted to tell you there are few yogic practice which they teach during the 7 online sessions. So you just go and learn them, attend them. I don't want to disclose it right now for you what are the practices they are teaching in the 7 those online sessions of inner engineering. I want you guys to go and experience them yourself. So you just start doing those practices, whatever they are. Sadhguru is teaching you on these 7 online sessions. Just do them on the daily basis. That's all I would recommend. And now the third question is, after doing inner engineering online, what all practices you can do. So today I want to tell you, once you are done with the inner engineering online, you can start with the Isha Kriya. Isha Kriya is freely available online. It is available on my channel also. I have made a specific playlist on my channel which says Isha online yoga and meditation practices that you can do on your own once you have done inner engineering online. Once you've completed this inner engineering online, you can start doing those practices such as Isha Kriya, Upayoga is there, Chit Shakti meditation for success, for love, for peace and health is all available on my channel on the playlist. You can just go and just see whichever you are comfortable with. Just start doing those practices on the regular basis. And apart from this, what is the cost of inner engineering online? I want to tell you that Sadhguru is offering inner engineering online at 50% for every one of us, for every other being. So now it is around 17 to 1800 rupees for the normal people, but it is free of cost for the doctors and for the police officers, for all the medical officers who are into the medical field, the doctors, the nurses, medical practitioners, and all the people who are in the police line. Inner engineering is free for them, so you can go and just attend that session. And inner engineering is available at 750, I think, in the other languages such as Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and other Spanish and French. It is at 750 rupees, but in the English session is for 1700 to 1800 rupees. So today I am telling you, because a lot of people have been asking me this question as well. So do you have to pay extra to learn a Shambhavi Mahamudra once the lockdown is open and you'll go to the nearby centers and learn? No, you don't have to pay anything extra for learning Shambhavi Mahamudra. So once the lockdown is open, you will get a call from your nearby centers that you can go and attend. They'll give you the date. You have to be there for one and a half day, and you can learn this very powerful practice of Shambhavi Mahamudra. And this is all I have to tell you that about inner engineering online. In case if you have any questions, just comment below on this video. I would love to answer you. You can mail me as well, and I'm always available. And thank you very much for watching me.